One morning, Sir Topham Hatt came to Tidmouth's sheds. "A golden eagle has been seen at Bluff's Cove," he said. "It is a very special bird. Birdwatchers are coming from far and wide." Thomas and Percy both wanted to take the birdwatchers to Bluff's Cove and see the golden eagle. But Sir Topham Hatt chose Emily. "Percy, you are to collect milk from the dairy," said Sir Topham Hatt. "And Thomas, you are to collect stone from the quarry. It must reach Brendam Docks before the boat sails." Sir Topham Hatt left. Thomas and Percy were disappointed. "I wish I was taking the bird watchers," Percy said sadly. "And I wish I could see the golden eagle," huffed Thomas as he set off.